Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourself productive. So feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Hi guys, this is Ankur from EME Technologies, and today we'll see how to set up Python for development. So first of all, we'll open our browser and go to python.org/downloads, and here you can see we have two versions available for download. One is Python 2.7.14 and another is Python 3.6.5. So these two versions are totally different. Python 2 series is having syntax different from Python 3 series, and so they are basically different versions of Python, and we'll be focusing on Python 3.6.5. You can read about Python in their documentation. I think that is docs.python.org, and here you can read about Python 3.6.5 documentation, and you can see the official documentation of Python. So anyhow, so now we'll download this Python and we'll see how to set up this Python for development. And I have already downloaded it to save some time, and now I'll open this Python 3.6.5. Hmm. Yeah, you'll be able to see this window, and now I have to check this thing in my installation window, add Python 3.6 to path. So just like we have had to add path variable in case of Java, we also need to add path variable to the with this Python. So I'll click on this checkbox and then click on install now. So I'll allow this operating system to run the script. And this will take some time as we are installing the new software. So now the setup is complete, and you can see here setup was successful. So now I'll teach you how to start coding in Python. So now I'll search for IDLE, and IDLE is official IDE for Python, and we can do Python coding in an interactive way. And when I say in interactive way, you'll get to know what I'm talking about. So let me open this thing. Okay, so here you can see this is IDLE, and and the Python language is actually interpreted language, so it is different from Java and C++, as those languages are compiled languages. So in interpreted languages, the code is converted to machine language line by line. So if I write one line here, so that will be executed first. So just a second. Yeah. And if I write something here, ABC, this will be printed here. So as you can see, so we can code line by line in Python. So if I say print hello world, this will be printed here. So this is the basic GUI based interpreter which Python has, and you can do very much. You can do, I mean, everything which you want to do with this IDE, and You can print a lot of stuff and do everything which you can do in any complex IDE. So I think this is all about IDE and Python setup. So it is pretty much easy, and Python 3 is the version of Python which we recommend you to use and start coding on this Python version, because Python 2 is very different from Python 3, and a very less amount of people are using Python 2, and now the more focus is on Python 3 instead of Python 2. So I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next video with some more information about Python.